Bikepacking is easy. This is how you do it. In this video, I'll be sharing my 5-step method to get you out bikepacking on your adventure the easiest way possible. So stay tuned, because here's number 1. Decide where to go. This should be somewhere you can ride a bike and go camping. Going camping is a great way to save money when you're out there on your bikepacking trip. If it's your first adventure, then go somewhere close by and for a short time. Or not, it's up to you. Longer trips can require more planning and logistics, but can also be a lot more fun. It all depends on where you are going and how much time you have for your adventure. What you will need to take will depend on where you are going, climate, weather, how you will sleep, and what you will eat and drink. If I could recommend anything, take plenty of water. If you want to know the best kind of bike to take, then go over step 1 and step 2 again, and decide what kind of bike is best for where you are going and the gear you want to carry. Take a bike that you are comfortable riding most of the day, and take a bike that has bags or racks for carrying your gear. The next step is attach the gear to your bike somehow. If you can't do this easily, you have too much gear. I use a variety of bags and backpacks and attach the gear to my bike using tire tube rubber. It's easy to attach a variety of gear to the bike using these rubber loops, and you can always find space to add something extra if you need to. This is the hardest part, but if you follow the first 4 steps, you will be well prepared. But you can always be more prepared. Make sure you have a sufficient level of fitness for your adventure. This goes for any companion that will be accompanying you as well. You will increase fitness on the road, but don't overdo it. Pace yourself into it. Take regular breaks, and make sure to get enough sleep. Now you can ride anywhere and enjoy bikepacking as a form of travel. Don't forget to check out this video over here if you want to see the gear that I carry on a bikepacking adventure.